Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get some of the lo-fi serum presets. So to get this, the link will be in the description. It's on Google Drive. You can go ahead and download it, okay? And then you have to extract it, install it on your serum. Now if you have any problem in installation of these presets, there will be a video on that. It will be in the description or at the top right, popping out right now. Alright, let me show you how this pack actually, how this presets actually sounds, okay? So guys, we are on serum and these are the packs, okay? I'm gonna play one after another, okay? And here we go. Like I said, yeah, these presets are not just for the lo-fi, okay? You can also make some sick trap and hip-hop beats with that, okay? It depends on your creativity, okay? It's music. You can also always flip and tweak some knobs and make your own sounds with that. And that was the last of it. And so this is how this preset sounds, okay? Anyway guys, I'll leave you all with that, and I really hope this helps. And like I said, if you have any problem in installation of these packs, there is a video and you can always go and check that out. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace guys, I'm out.